Hi guys! Welcome to Buhay Call Center Agent Channel. My name is Admin Leona. So today, ang pag-uusapan natin is my experience about work from home. Yes, I am currently working from home. And sobrang nai-enjoy ko yung work from home kasi nasa bahay ka lang at saka parang yung oras mo. Mawawalan ka lang ng 9 hours kasi nga nasa work ka, pero the rest sayong-sayo. And that's what I like so much. Hindi katulad kapag nag-work ka sa isang company, magta-travel ka pa. And ako kasi I'm from Payatas and I'm working in Anonas. Travel time na inaalat ko is 2 hours. So imagine, 2 hours ka nagbabiyahe and nakakahagard. Minsan, ang pasok ko is hapon. Umuwi ako ng madaling araw. So, pagpapasok ako, sobrang init, di ba? And, 2 hours ka nagbabiyahe, Haggard, di ba? Winner sa kahagardan. So, if you are working at home, walang time to travel kasi nasa bahay ka lang. And chill ka lang. Kaya nga usually what I do, for example, as of the moment, my shift starts at 7 p.m. 5 p.m. pa lang nakakapag-set up na ako ng PC and all, diba? Chill na ako after 5 p.m. kasi pagdating ng 7, nakaset up na yung PC ko and all. Wala na akong problema. Magla-log-in na lang ako. So, ting ko lang ang headset ko. So, that's what I like about working from home. Kasi, another thing, nakakabanding mo yung family mo kasi like, as of the moment, quarantine, lahat ng family members nyo, kulong din sa bahay. So, you are given a chance to talk to them, to bond with them, to play with them, to eat together with them. So, this is also a time para maging close kayo ng family nyo. So, I highly advise kung sakaling working from home din kayo, yun yung gawin nyo, diba? Makipag-bond kayo ng bonggang-bongga. Have good conversation with your family and know them more. Kasi nung time na nag-work tayo, nakakabanding mo man sila, rest day mo lang. Kasi minsan papasok ka, wala na, let's say, pagising mo, wala na pala yung mga family members ninyo kasi pumasok sa school or pumasok din sa work. Tapos, makakatsikahan mo lang sila pag rest day mo na. Kasi pag uwi mo naman, tulog naman mga tao kasi minsan nga madaling araw or umaga ka nang umuwi. So, maximize your time habang naka-quarantine, habang work from home ka, bond with your family member, di ba? And also, dahil marami kang time, like ako, marami akong time ngayon, it gave me a chance to do my YouTube channel. So, I'm really hoping that you guys will be able to check out my other videos para naman kung may feedback kayo or suggestion, for sure makikita ko yan and I will be able to reply. Like, subscribe, click the notification bell, Thank you so much. So yun nga guys, another thing about working from home, nagugustuhan ko is maliban sa nakapag-bonding nga kami with family, other than nga mas gamay ko yung aking time, mas marami din akong time para manood ng K-drama, to do the things I like. So, kung meron kang, nung time na nag-work ka at may mga plano ka, this is your moment. This is your time to do the things you want to do. So, kung may plano kang mag-YouTube, do it now. Kung may plano kang gumawa ng Facebook page and kung meron kang cause na hindi naman required na lumabas ka, do it now because this is your time. Marami kang time. What else? Kung sakasakali din na let's say meron kang kailangan gawin sa bahay, this is your time na din. Pwede kang mag-ayos ng bahay. Kung may plano ka maglinis ng basement, gawin mo na. Diba? We have plenty of time to do the things that we want to do. So, that's what I like about work from home. Yung disadvantage naman is, hindi mo makikita yung mga colleague mo. Alam mo yun, kasi yung mga katrabaho mo, kaklose mo sila. Hindi mo sila makikita face-to-face. Kasi nga, kulong din sila sa bahay and working from home din sila. And, kung sakasakaling gano'n, I hope na mayroon pa rin kayong time to do Zoom meeting, chat them on Facebook, kamustahin nyo din sila, diba? Kasi for sure na-miss nyo rin yung isa't isa at na-miss nyo yung bonding nyo na magkakasama kayo sa work. So, that's one thing that you can do. Check them out, send them a PM or a DM. And kung kaya, as a team, do a Zoom meeting, di ba? Ano pa ba? Namimiss mo rin lumabas-labas. Pumunta ng mall, manood ng sine, makibanding sa mga friends mo din. Pero kung sakasakali nga na dahil hindi natin magagawa yun while on quarantine, better na i-PM mo din yung mga friends mo na yun. Kung hindi ka makapanood ng sine, edi mag-Netflix ka na lang muna, mag-K-drama ka na lang muna, di ba? Ano pa ba? Things that yung parang disadvantage ng work from home. I don't know. Pero another thing na maganda sa work from home is nakakatipid, nakakaipon ako. Sana ganun din kayo. Pero, kung meron kayong Lazada at Shopee, oh my goodness. For sure. For sure, marami kayong gastusin. Pero, kung ano naman, is makakaipon ka. Kung ako tatanungin mo, dahil nga hindi ako nakakalabas, I'm not spending my money for fare, for public transportation. Hindi na ako kumakain sa labas. So, sa bahay lang ako kumakain. Nakakatipid ka din dahil doon. Hindi ka nagmi-milk tea. Pwede na lang kung magpo-food panda ka or mag-grab food ka. Pero, hindi mo naman siya gagawin on a regular basis. Kasi nung nasa work ako, medyo regular yung pag-milk tea. Medyo regular yung paggastos. So, while working from home, medyo nakakatipid ka. Hindi ka gumagastos ng milk tea on a daily basis, diba? Or coffee kung nag-Starbucks ka naman. Makakatipid ka din kasi hindi ka pupunta ng mall. You're not allowed eh. Kasi usually, ginagawa din natin is pupunta tayo ng mall to watch movie, to shop. So, mas tipid kasi nga, hindi ka natitempt na gumastos. Pero lang kung may Shopee ka at meron kang Lazada. On my case, I do have Lazada. So, pero mas tipid pa din. Kasi hindi ka namamasahe papunta ng mall. Magla-Lazada ka man, di-deliver na lang nila sa'yo. So, may shipping fee. Pero, mas tipid. Masasabi ko mas tipid. Kasi nga, medyo anin mo na lang yung sarili mo. Kontrolin mo na lang yung sarili mo na huwag mong maging habit na mag-browse sa Lazada. Kasi, mauubos pera mo dahil. Mauubos talaga, promise. Marami pa namang deals and discounts. So, yun. That's what I like about working from home. Kaya nga sabi ko nga sa TL ko, kung sakaling babalik na kami sa office, may miss ko din to. Kasi mas marami akong time for myself and for my family kapag naka-work from home. So, kung sakaling magkakaroon ng home base talaga yung company namin, igagrab ko yung opportunity na mag-home base na lang. Kasi maraming benefit, mas marami kang time. And because nagkaroon na nga ako ng YouTube channel, mas gusto ko ng frequent upload. Bang kapatid kong ingay. Frequent upload. So, mas gusto ko yung ganon. Kasi nga, kailangan ko ding maging consistent sa pag-upload ng videos. Diba? So, kung mag-upload ako ng video, kailangan frequent, kailangan consistent, para naman meron kayong mapapanood na content from me. Hindi kayo maging bored. Kasi, ang goal ko din naman is to have subscribers na talagang mag-tune in sa mga videos ko. So, if you guys have any suggestions, comments, feedback, don't hesitate to leave a comment. And for sure, mababasa ko yan. I'm focusing on my YouTube channel as of the moment. So, lahat ng mga magko-comment, lahat ng magla-like, mag-subscribe, makikita ko yan. So, yeah. Teka lang, let's do a shoutout na din, di ba? Shoutout to my colleagues. Kasi, na-promise ko sa kanila na isa-shoutout ko sila. Teka lang, meron akong listahan nun eh. Wait lang, hanapin ko muna. Kasi para wala akong ma-miss. Diba? Wait lang, I'll check my laptop. Hello, guys. So, yun na nga. Kapag meron kayong suggestions, huwag naman kayong mahiyang mag-comment. para naman makonsider ko din yung magiging next topic natin on our live video. Okay, I'm now checking. Just give me a couple of minutes. There you go! Ay, naburok ko ata. Naburok ko ata yung ano. Ba yung ingay ng aso? Ba yan? Kakainis. Yun yung disadvantage pag nag-YouTube ka kapag meron kayong kapitbahay na may aso. So I may just cut this part. Sige, bark pa more. There you go. The dogs are no longer barking. So, may pahabol. Umabol pa. Wait lang. So, I want to do a shout out to my subscribers. Yeah, please, dog, stop barking. To Marcelina Bitunya, my friend. Hello, sis. Shout out to you. Shout out to Jester Florida, Dax Larios Art TV, Lady Brillantes, my colleague, Joanna Mary Minyosa, my colleague also, Aris Mark Fangunil, Sefi Francisco Jr., hello, sis. Apple Armario, my previous colleague, hello sa'yo, sis. Aini Pine, thanks for subscribing. Vince Barday, my cousin, thanks for subscribing. SME Joseph Corpus, thanks for subscribing. Mark Manlapas, katrabaho ko din yan, thanks for subscribing. When Vanity Speaks, thank you so much, sis, for subscribing. Previous colleague ko din yan. CC, thank you for subscribing. Adam Mangan Tulaw, thank you for subscribing. And my first ever subscriber, Tep Artiche. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And shout out na din dun kay SME Ken, SME Joms, SME Ayan, SME Pau, mga katrabaho ko, mga co-SMEs ko, and sa aking ka-teammates, Tindang. Hello guys! Thank you so much for watching this video. Medyo matagal siya. And I'm really hoping that you will be able to subscribe to my channel, like, and paki-hit na rin ang notification bell. If you have suggestions, comments, or whatsoever, comment below. I will answer them. I will be able to read them, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks for watching my ranting and all. And have a wonderful day. Bye-bye for now.